Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to be talking about the senses. Our vision detects light waves. Your eye's photoreceptors convert light energy into nerve impulses that the brain can understand. The eyeball itself is about 2.5 centimeters in size. It's mostly hollow, full of fluids that keep its shape, and you can really only see about the anterior sixth of the whole ball. The rest is tucked into a pocket of fat. Light comes through the cornea and pupil and hits the lens. That focuses the light, that projects the light into the retina. Your retinas are loaded with millions of photoreceptors, which do the crucial work of converting light. So let's say your friend flashed a blinding flashlight that hits your eye. The light hits your posterior. Retina and spreads from the photoreceptors to the bipolar cells just beneath them, to the innermost ganglion cells, where they then generate action potentials, which leave your eyeballs and carry them impulses up to the thalamus and then onto the brain visual cortex. Our sense of taste or gustation and smell or olfaction are chemical senses. They call on chemoreceptors in our taste buds and nasal passages to detect molecules in our food and air around us. Now, the process starts as you sniff molecules up into your nose. This means that to be able to smell something, the odorant must be volatile. Most of these molecules are filtered out on the way up your nasal cavity. As they get caught by the protective nose hairs, there it goes through your ethmoid bone into the olfactory bulb. But each olfactory neuron has receptors for just one kind of smell. Scientists estimate that our 40 million different olfactory receptors neurons help us identify about 10,000 different smells. Tasting is about 80% smell. So let's say you eat a hot dog. As soon as you take a bite, all of the sensory information in there is quickly sorted by the 10,000 or so taste buds, covering the tongue, mouth, and upper throat. Each taste bud has 50 to 100 taste receptors, epithelial cells which register and respond to different molecules in your food. Sounds create vibrations in the air that beat against the eardrum, which pushes a series of tiny bones, which are the malleus, incus, and stapes, which push tiny bones that move internal fluid against a membrane that triggers tiny hair cells, which aren't really hairs, that stimulate neurons, which in turn send action potential to the brain, which interrupts them as sound. So balance, it helps prevent humans and animals from falling over when standing or moving. Balance is the result of a number of body systems working together. Our sense of touch is controlled by a huge network of nerve ending and touch receptors in the skin, known as the somatosome system. This system is responsible for all sensations we feel: cold, hot, smooth, rough, pressure, tickle, itch, pain, vibrations, etc. So I hope everybody found this interesting, and I hope you learned a little bit about the senses, and thanks for watching.